Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Acorns app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your password on the Acorns app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's log on to the Acorns app. Next, click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner. Then on this page here, go ahead and click on settings. Next, scroll down to where it says login and security. And you're going to be able to change your password if you click on change password. So on this page here, you just need to go ahead and enter your current password, then enter your new password, and then confirm your new password as well. Now keep in mind that this does need to be a minimum of 8 characters, include an upper and lowercase, include one number, and include a special character. And of course, both passwords have to match. But there you have it guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your password on the Acorns app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.